ladies and gentlemen, what I want to do today is to show you how to make a healthy glass of berries and yogurt smoothie. The presentation will take about 5 minutes. If you have any questions you would like to ask, I will be happy to answer them. First, prepare the berries. You can use any combination of blueberries, raspberry, blackberries, strawberry, and other types of berries you desire. Wash the berries and cut the stems off. You can use frozen berries in place of fresh berries in this smoothie. When you are deciding which berries to use, know that the raspberry and blackberries have excellent flavor but may contain a lot of tiny seeds. Second, mix yogurt and milk. Berry smoothies tend to be really thick and almost gel-like. You can make them more drinkable by mixing yogurt with some milk, rather than using all yogurt. Combine a half cup yogurt with a half cup whole and skim milk. Third, you can add a few pieces of a very light banana if you want to avoid sugar. Next, blend the ingredients, place the berries, yogurt, milk mixture, and sweetener in the blender. Blend the ingredients until the smoothie has no visible lumps. Check the consistency and add more milk, yogurt, or ice as desired. Finally, serve the smoothie. Pour this healthy smoothie into a glass to drink at home, or use a to-go container so you can enjoy it on the run. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and if there are any questions, as we have seen today, I hope you enjoy your time with the berries and yogurt smoothie.